Welcome back to the channel and to part 9 of our European tour. We're still in camping Les Medes, got it right again this time, and we take the bikes out. Now this is quite an experience for me because I haven't ridden a bike for 3 years since the last time we were in Spain.
And they say once you've learned to ride a bike, you never forget.
I know that's what they say, yeah. But I haven't got good balance at the best of times on a bike or otherwise. So we take the bikes into l'estartit or whatever you call it. I really haven't heard anybody say it, so I can't tell you if I'm saying it right or wrong. We go the wrong way to start with, but not too far. And actually, the cycle ride from the site to the beach is 4 or 5 minutes, if that. It's absolutely great. And then you can ride all the way along the coast into the town, the marina, and right up to the headland, and it is quite beautiful. So come with us and have a look. And we're there and we show you all around, and then we come back. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? But actually, hopefully you'll enjoy it and the information we impart along the way. So come and take a look. Cheers. Well, this isn't the first and it won't be the last messy bit of vlog footage you get of me. Reason being, it's still early in the morning. Well, early-ish for a holiday anyway. But we decided to move the van. Alan was worrying about getting out between the trees, but he did it, but he wouldn't have done if there had been anybody on the pitch opposite, and the site's getting busy. So we thought we'd move to an easier pitch to get out and one with fewer overhanging trees. So we did that first thing. So we now moved, settled back down again, and it's a far easier pitch than the one we had previously. Even so, we only just fit on, but we fit on in a far more sensible fashion. So this is the back. We can't quite open the boot because of this tree, and that is how close we are. We've got about 9 inches at the back there, I'd say, and we are level with the road at the front. We've got this nice little area. And I'll show you how it matches up at the front. There, I'd say there's 1 inch from the number plate to the edge of the road. Yeah, it's tight, and we had to squeeze in between the posts to get that extra 6 inches on this side. But we're in, and Alan's not worrying anymore. So we're going to probably have at least 1 night, maybe 2 here. We managed to book Benidorm. We'll be there for the 20th of December. So we've got to organise an overnight stop, because I really don't fancy doing 390 miles in 1 day. Although it's possible, but it's always good to arrive in the daylight, especially given the Spanish trees. Well, you see what we're going to be doing? We've got the bikes out, we've blown the tyres up, batteries are still on charge, but they're nearly full now, and we're going to take a little ride into first of all down to the beach and then into the nearby town. They're saying it's only 3 minutes down to the beach by bike, that's according to Google, and I think it was about 10 minutes into the town. So we'll go and see what it's like. It's a beautiful sunny day today. It's not hot, obviously, it's the time of year, but it's certainly nice for cycling. So we're going to give it a go, and we'll take you with us as always and show you a bit of the town. We're still not sure how long we're going to stay here. We know we're in Benidorm on the 20th, but we could have another couple of nights yet. So let's go and have a look what it's like.
To the right. I'm guessing you follow it round, but I haven't got my phone. Just follow it round. I haven't got my phone, so I'm not sure. But it sounds, it's supposed to be a straight road. We'll get off in a minute and check. Let's just see where we are.
The wrong way, wasn't it, Gears? Yeah, we've gone the wrong way.
Turn around and go back. Go on, keep going.
Aim for the phone.
Try and get...
Oh.
You want to be the left of the right of the post anyway, same as on the road. I can see the sea.
Well, it's only a short little bike ride down to the sea. And when you get here, this is what you see. It's absolutely beautiful. It would have been even shorter, but we went the wrong way. But, and then this goes all the way into the town by the look of it. There's a sign there that says we've got to dismount and push our bikes. So here they are ready to push.
Well, I'm going to ride mine.
No, I'm pushing mine. So what do you reckon to it?
Rubbish, really?
Rubbish. It's beautiful.
It's not warm enough. It's only about 18 degrees.
It's gorgeous. I'm really hot.
Yeah.
Well, you'll see the seafronts dressed up for Christmas. Obviously, it's not pretty at the moment without the lights on. There's a notice board here. See what that says. To get it into the camera, I'm so far away from it, it's very difficult to read. So I'm going to go and read and then tell you. Yeah, these islands, that's the photograph of it on this sign, and they're a protected nature reserve, as are the areas on the submerged part of it. It's also protected, and it's apparently one of the most favourite spots in the Mediterranean for divers from all over the world. And there are loads of nesting places on the inlets for seagulls, cormorants, egrets, herons, and even the very rare storm petrel. So it's quite a place, this. Quite a place. And those are the islands, Las Islas Medes. Wow, beautiful. There's quite a few of these apartments on the seafront. I mean, that's lovely. All those balconies overlooking the sea and the swimming pool there. That is really nice. Yeah, it'd be a good spot to have an apartment, that would. And that's the view from it. Takes a lot of beating. Although I have to say, I think the view from our balcony at home is probably equally as good. We've come a bit further and there's like a scribbland area which is roped off, which is on the land side of the beach. And you'll see the hills and rocks up there, and it looks like we go over a little inlet. There's a bridge down there before we get to the town proper. It's a beautiful bay and a beautiful beach. Yeah, so we're at the marina now in Estartit. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's really nice and lots of people around on bikes. And I'll show you the marina. It's quite big actually. It's really quite big, isn't it? Let's take it away from the sun. This looks like a slipway. It's a very fancy slipway. Yeah. Not much in the way of large boats here. There might be further out. Oh, there are in the distance.
Yeah, there's loads over there.
Yeah. These ones are all quite like day boats, really, I guess. And that's the yacht club there. And then what else is so nice here is the view. Oh, look at that piece of public art with the seagulls flying around. Well, this is a rare sight, this. Shay on a push bike. I'm not very confident. Very wobbly. But we've avoided the roads, the main roads, as far as we can. So I've had a wobble or two though, haven't I?
Mm.
But I've stayed on.
Mm. But you're being too good. They say dismount and push your bike, and you're doing it every time. Everybody else is cycling past you.
Well, I know, but I don't trust myself if I come across pedestrians. I could end up knocking them over. This is the far end of the marina, and there's this beautiful little beach here. There's still further pontoons going out there, and you can see the big boats or the bigger boats there, but they're still within the harbour wall. But what a lovely little spot this is. Really nice, and some bars outside. We're seating outside here, and some typically Spanish properties with beautiful views and lovely spots. A couple of people sitting on the beach. Yeah, it's lovely. Well, Alan's gone on ahead, but I couldn't resist just taking this footage. There's rocks everywhere. And Alan's just gone up past that one. I'll follow him. But I just wanted to get this first. Look at that. And the beautiful waves coming in. The waves lapping. You can hear the sound of the waves. It looks like the underwater scene is beautiful. Lots of different fish and soft corals. No wonder it's a haven for divers. And it doesn't look that deep on that one. It's beautiful. So many different fish and coloured corals. It's almost like it was diving when we did it in the tropics, really. And then you've got the bird life here as well. What a place. Never heard of it before. Another thing we stumbled over. And I'm so pleased we did. It's beautiful. You see the seafront and the promenade all the way down. And it goes out further down there to the harbour wall. With the waves washing up against the rocks. Cormorant sat on one of them down there. And once again you'll see the cliffs here. Nice properties perched on the cliffs. And trees on the top. Shay on a rock in a cycle helmet. Not the best look in the world. But my hair will look even worse when I take it off. Just check my emails. So we're sat at a bar in the glorious sunshine. Alan's got a coffee. I've got a small beer. And we're sat here. Bikes parked opposite us. And the beach. So after our little break and our coffee and beer, we did think about eating there, but the menu was very Spanish, so we decided against it. So we're heading back along the seafront. There are cycle routes pretty much all the way. Some of them on the road, some of them they take you just off the road, and in some instances they take you off the road and then back on again, as you'll see. But it's good all the way, and it was quiet, and it was a lovely cycle ride. I could cope with this. You turn off the main road and then you're on where you're supposed to dismount and push the bike, which I did on the way there, but on the way back I have to say it was so quiet I just rode the bike.
There's a lot of motorhomes parked up, isn't there? All up there, eh? Yeah, you enjoying it? Didn't think you'd ever enjoy cycling. I didn't think you'd enjoy cycling.
So we rode past an area where there were motorhomes parked up, as you'll have just seen, and continued back along the seafront and into the site eventually. There's like a sandy path that you'll see coming up, which was actually okay. But before we got there, you continue past the apartments, you get to the seafront and then you turn right. And really, from there back to the site is 4-5 minutes maximum. And it really isn't a hassle at all. We were very close to the site at this point. You cross the road, which is where you come into the site in the first place, and down the little lane. So then, we're pretty much there, back on site. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and sorry for the rather abrupt ending to the footage. The GoPro stopped, switched itself off just as we entered the campsite. We weren't sure what we were going to do the following day, because remember we've got to get on the way down to Benidorm, and we decided we'd work it out in the morning, so that's what we did. So I hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and press that bell for notifications, and thank you all for watching, and thank you for all your lovely comments along the way. Please continue to comment and leave your comments on whatever part of this you want to in the comment section. So for now, we'll let you carry on wondering whether we stay or whether we go. Cheers.